Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we have some amazing machines that you probably have never seen before. Woodwork creates a lot of dust and mess, especially when it comes to wood cutting. However, with this machine, you can easily cut and split the trunk into small pieces. It has three main parts. The first one is the feeding table. It automatically lifts the wood and feeds it to the machine. The second part is a saw blade. It cuts down each wooden piece into 50 cm long blocks. You can adjust the length, but it perfectly works with 50 cm max length and 25 cm of max diameter. Next up, the wood logs have to pass through knives, splitting it up into further parts, 4, 6, or 8, depending upon your choice of blade. At last, a conveyor belt helps you to send it off where you want. No doubt, this machine will lift your business to the next level, since it can be operated by one person, alone. They have designed the machine with state-of-the-art technology. Its light sensor stops the cutting process when someone puts their hand in the danger zone. Modern agricultural techniques require big tractors, large plows, and the latest blades. They do not only save time, but also cost a good amount of money. This heavy-duty tractor and its latest Lemken Verititan plow mounted with hydraulic rollers are the future. The rear wheels of the plow provide stability and auto-adjust the ground level. But if you want to give a boost to your crop production, this machine definitely will be worth buying. Lighttracks, made by Agrifact, is a 6-row sugar beet harvester. Farmers love its compatibility and performance. Its operating system offers cutting-edge ergonomics to the operator and manages all functions including the engine. Also, they included a 12-inch touchscreen in the comfortable driver's cab. Recently, they have added the Protect Plus scalping, which ensures the best results. With this new scalping system, the defoliator can be set higher. This gives more space between the scalper and the controlling crest. It results in more harvested beet, better protection against losses of energy and sugar. The canal system is one of the oldest methods widely used for farming. But like everything, it requires maintenance, and for this, there is no other better tool than the Klaas Heitzma. They equip all essential machines, including this Hemos throwing wheel ditch cleaner. This machine is going to replace all mowing bucket cranes and walk-behind cultivators. Its blades remove the silt and mud from the ditch. You can recover the freshwater flow just through its single pass. Next up, we have the Ecolog, a wood harvester that will blow your mind with its flexibility. They installed a unique suspension arm in it that enables the chassis to be tilted 25.5 degrees laterally, making the machine flexible even in the most demanding terrain. It runs on a 35 horsepower Volvo Penta engine and has a 350-degree rotatable swivel cam, which minimizes the need to move the machine. All these features give high performance, reliability, and fuel efficiency. First up, we have Ground Euro Direct. They have introduced a unique planter suit with features for soil preparation. It can be used for pre-ridging or as a ridge cutter. They also included WIFO with it. This tiller contains 9 different support wheels, and its hopper capacity is 2.5 or 3 tons. They cleverly engineered it and have installed hydraulic drives to enhance the performance quality. While tilling, it also seeds the potatoes in a more careful way. You can adjust the tiller's width as it has the option to adjust the spacing width at 75, 80, and 90 centimeters. Nowadays, water bodies are rapidly filling with sludge, silt sediment, and heavy weed growth. It's a serious challenge for all municipal authorities. But thanks to Clean Tech Infra's designer, they designed it in a way that it can float on water. So this dredger can reach quickly where the waste stucks in. Its amphibious excavators perfectly work for shallow water dredging in rivers, canals, and in urban areas, where there is a lot of city waste and no vacant land. It can reach 50 feet with 360-degree rotation to discharge silt directly on the shore. No doubt, Clean Tech Infra is the best solution for water cleaning problems. Meet this monster. It's a giant dredger built for all shallow water work. Generally, it is used for dredging, piling, and raking. Its robust body and powerful hydraulics enable it to crawl with its own propulsion system until reaching the water. Now it's preparing to jump into the water. Although the Watermaster can swim, they use its firm legs beneath the water on the ground for stable operation. Once it gets ready, the operation can be started with a large selection of quickly changeable attachments. With this multi-purpose technology, the work is done cost-effectively and adequately. It removes trash and invasive aquatic vegetation by excavating and raking. And it develops riverbanks and seashores by pile driving. Watermasters can be controlled remotely. Its spuds give proper anchorage for steady and efficient piling, for excavating work, as well as for cable mounting. Next up, we've got Eterra, a Typhoon-type clearing mower, which cuts down anything that comes in front of it. It is driven by a high-power radial piston motor engine and a heat-treated spindle drive hub. They designed its sturdy blade to make it easier to clean trees, brushes, and other vegetation. You can remove the blade cover, which enables open cutting and giving operator the ability to adapt to different situations. With Eterra, cutting up to a 12-inch wide tree down is not a big deal. It works smoothly without bogging down or showing wear. Take a closer look. This piece of wood is going to be chopped off into innumerable wood chips. Wood chips are basically used as a raw material for producing wood pulp. There are many other uses, like biomass solid fuel, organic mulch in gardening, and restoration ecology. That is why the forest and wood industry puts a high demand on chippers. This Diamant 2000 is a mighty machine. It is able to produce wood chips from 15mm to 60mm, with a speed of up to 380 cubic meters per hour. Easy exchanges of counter knives, automatic pressure compensation of crane outriggers, and independent differential lock gives you a wider field of operation and enables it to fine-tune any kind of material for better chip. If you're looking for something that helps you spray your crops at a larger scale, the Agrifact sprayer would be your perfect match. It's probably the most innovative sprayer in the world and covers a 54-meter wide area while spraying. Also, its thin wheels are special. You can adjust the space between wheels from 150 centimeters to 225 centimeters. It helps the driver move through fields without harming any plants. Its Green Flow Plus system ensures spray under constant pressure, so that there is no difference in spraying. It saves every drop and makes sure it falls in the right place. No doubt this machine is efficient, economic, ergonomic, and ecological. Next up, we have crop harvesters made by Ball Seed Farming Machineries. It comes with a 3-row portable harvesting drive with a backpack storage system and a tractor as a power source. Its drive type is based on V-belt and gear drive. With it, you can harvest 0.8 acres within an hour. It can be mounted and supports all tractors with diesel engines above 240 horsepower. You can pluck the ear and straw chopping in cornfields when the ears of corn are ripe. After plucking, it will then be conveyed to the rear hydraulic tilting hopper, from where they will be loaded directly to transporting vehicles, making the whole process both time-saving and labor-saving. Next up, we have the GL system developed by Loftiness. This machine is an ultimate platform for those who bother with loading grain bags. It delivers massive capability and speed. These grain bags are of long polyethylene bags, with 10 feet diameter and lengths of up to 500 feet. The machine automatically seals the bag after filling it. This process reduces the oxygen level of the bag and increases the concentration of carbon dioxide. In this way, the fungus and insects are killed due to the airtight environment, without any chemicals. Moreover, it also slows down the natural process, which means you can store for a longer time. Next up, we've got Kuhn FC 460, a new generation mower. In the event of an impact between a disc and an obstacle, its unique disc bearing station protects the mower because the shaft holding the disc can be sheared just above the bearing. As a result, the gears are protected. These mower conditions offer unmatched adaptability to different harvesting practices and field conditions. All the advanced features, including simple adjustment and low maintenance, make it the leading machine of its kind on the market. Last but not least, we have Swellcone's bog clearing machine. Ditches are cleared by a screw-type ditcher, known as the OJK-13. This machine is a perfect tool for peatland ditching under all conditions. It effectively cuts any trees, roots, or stump in the bog, and a single pass can clear it. It pulls out the peat with a 220 horsepower tractor on both sides of the ditch and spreads evenly across the strip. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. What did you think of these technologies? Let us know down in the comments below. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to hit that notification bell to get notified when we release new content.